Hey guys, welcome to the Saturday stream. We are playing Kerbal Career Mode, and of course, we still have the same issue that we had last time. If I come, this way, we have got this ship that is fallen over. We need to go and make this not fallen over. So, to aid this, I made this weird little contraption thing. It's got this weird sort of double jointed arm and a weird thing on the side that really wasn't meant to be part of the original setup there. Let's just make sure everything flows a-okay on the stream so far. It appears that it is going to. Nothing on the chat as yet though. That always worries me. In fact, now that I hit record, hit play, I'm not seeing anything on my stream. Oh, that's bad. That's bad. Why aren't you playing? Let's stop play. Okay, I'm going to stop the stream start again. Okay, hopefully this has brought us all back into line. Everything looks good there. Is things looking good up this side? Maybe, maybe not. This is not the troubles I was expecting to have today. Indeed, the troubles I was expecting to have were all to do with this little beast here. In fact, we've got wheels pointed in the wrong direction and things doing the wrong thing. Right, look at this. This kind of turned in the right direction, but what is going on back here? Hey, Guinea Pig Gaming, how's it going? Do you see me? Question mark. Not getting stream through my end. That was very clacky. Okay, cool. As long as someone has me, that is all good. Welcome, welcome. How are you doing? You might remember this from last time. Do we steer the way we're supposed to? So these are steering in the wrong directions. Are they? Yeah, okay, so that now makes sense. What about these ones here? Let's turn that as well. And these just kind of like sit here, whether I turn them or not. So we'll let that roll. We'll let that roll. Okay, I need to get out the oldie computer controls over here. Is this the button I want? Oh, look at that. I can do each one individually. That's kind of what we want. That's good. That's good. Okay, let's line ourselves up before we do anything. I want to pull this up this way. This should hopefully be able to connect well. Guinea Pig's doing fine. Okay, that's good. That's fine. I would have expected more people to be here by now normally. I'm not sure what's going on there. Who knows? Who knows? I will just continue on as if there is no problem, and if there does become a problem, we will sort that out. I need to stop badly. Stop. Let's sideways this. Okay, maybe not. Let's try this way then. I've got my brakes on. I'm pulling backwards, as you can tell by the pitch marker there. I suppose we're going to just have to deal with it then. Spin around. If we keep going, do we actually end up... Lazy Saturday afternoon, yeah, maybe. Okay, can we go up the hill? Let's turn those brakes back off. Let's go. Let's go. Ah, I remember. We had this problem last time, didn't we? Yes, this was definitely a problem last time. Let's turn these traction controls right down. Got to remember how it goes. I used to think that traction control would help you get traction. Turns out that's not really the way that they have like implemented it. Okay, let's roll back a bit. Get a bit of a run up. Got to try and make our way up there. I thought I had the oomph. Maybe the fuel is a little difficult. I'm going to save it right here. I think that's probably a good idea. Do you guys think that it's a good idea? We are now leaving sector QF set. I bet we can actually do this. It's log data. Look at that. And then we get a little bit of our contract done. So, woo! This is what we're here to do. Did the thing we were here to do. Yeah, one of three. One of three. So, what I really want to do now... is possibly line this up. Let's bring this back out. This rototron here, we want to line that up forwards. We want to drop the telescopic piston a bit, and then I think, oh no, that was too far. That was too far. We're dragging it. This is going to have a massive negative impact on my ability to get up this hill. You remember that lander? Awesome. So this is the lander we're trying to save. Hopefully we can just connect it, and then I'm going to try and do a weird rocky motion, which may or may not work. Unfortunately, I don't have the group set up. Oh, I suppose I could edit the group. Give me this. Give me this here. Set as target. Okay, that's good. And then right here, we want to control from here. Yep. Oh, it's looking good. Oh, I ran out of steam. I ran out of... Why? Why? We did this last time. We did... Look at that lump of debris up there. Okay, we'll try and do this one more time. I really thought that was going to make it. I'm not sure why it didn't. Not sure why it didn't. Motor reversed. Do they all need to be reversed? I think they do. Reversed. Reversed. Let's stop now. Come on now. Work for me. I feel like it's working against me, not for me. Come on. What? Why are we still rolling backwards? Let's stop this. I'm going to end up further away than I did with the quick save. What? Can we turn some more? I know, kind of. Ooh, this way. I kind of feel like we want to travel like this now. It is. Okay, so something has gone a little bit skewy, but that's all right. That's not a problem. We will set this all the way to the other side. SNS. This. Oh, we're out of power. We are out of power. That's bad, yo. That's bad. Why didn't I attack? Because this was for landing. That's what that was all about. Got to wait for morning now. How far away is the sun? Probably a ways actually. Blocked by terrain. Okay, we knew this was going to be a problem at some point. Let's just let it drag on round. Still only one person in the stream. This is mighty unusual. I mean, I don't want to like blow my own trumpet and say I normally have a lot more people in the stream. There's normally a few more people in my stream. So I don't know what's going on here. Let's try and drag this back. Hey Kerbal Nerd, how's it going, buddy? Finally, you come along to save me from going insane. This is good. This is good. Okay, so now that we go that way, what happens when I do this? It travels the other direction. Okay, I see what's going on here. It's because we're controlling from that it's all a little bit weird. I can deal with a little bit weird. You guys alright with a little bit weird? It's literally just a little bit. I think that's where I want to be. Looking at my nav ball. Are we going to be able to attach properly? I don't know. I honestly don't know. Kerbal Nerd is asking, what are we doing? We are trying to right this this lander here. May or may not go well. I don't know. I'm going to try and, I don't know, maybe push it? Ah! Oh, okay, maybe not then. Maybe not. This is why I made a quick save. This is why I made a quick save. Okay, so I don't want to attack. I don't want to control it from that docking port. Then that's the problem that I'm having there. It's not the problem. It's one of the problems I'm having there. We shouldn't be miles away. I quick saved it. Oh, this is bad. Okay, let's control from here. Let's try and figure out what's going on with these. So these are all inverted and reverse. Inverted and reverse. Motor direction reverse. Let's just get all of these like this with the traction control low. We will resave all these details and get everything working for us, hopefully. It is a big hope. It is a big hope. Okay, can we drive like this? Is this the thing? Okay, it seems to be relatively controllable now. Oh, Guinea Pig Gaming's PC crash. Nice. Always good. Always tasty. This group down here. Telescopic comes down a little bit. Okay. No, I just said a little bit. Wow. Doesn't really like doing this little bit business, does it? Okay, now if I turn this like this, we're going to have a little bump with the ground. That's fine. I can live with a little bump with the ground. Let's pull that up. Just the smallest amount. I mean, who wouldn't be happy with a bump? Who wouldn't be? A+ for the rover grabbing thing. Yeah. Straight up Guinea Pig Gaming. It's good. It's good. Thank you for pointing that out. People are joining. Yeah, do not forget, if you enjoy what's going on here, if you think this is the craziest contraption you've ever seen, it's not the craziest contraption you've ever seen. I know it's not the craziest contraption I've even built, let alone one that I've seen. But if you like what's going on here, don't forget to give us a thumbs up. It lets both YouTube and myself know that we are doing well. Can we stop well enough here? I need to just... You know what? I'm just going to stop here. The brake is not as good as the reverse. That is interesting. Interesting. Now, anyway, the reason I'm doing this is so that I can make a quick save, and we're not having to quick save it like miles away, or quick load it miles away. Okay, let's try and twist ourselves into the right position here. Should work out alright. Should work out pretty good. Can we get this working for us? Yeah. Might even just pick it up and like walk with it, if you see what I'm saying. Just take it over there. That's where it needs to go. Can we turn in here? Well, I think we can. Are we going to line up right? I don't know. Oh, it's kind of good. Oh, don't let this get out of hand. Hey, look at this. This is pretty good. Let's pull the telescopic lens back up. The telescopic lens. Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. That goes that way. Come on, I can see you really want to. Let's put brakes. Let's apply brakes and do a quick save. Have I ever played Clash of Clans? No, actually, I have not. Hey, Jack the Green Ghost, welcome, welcome. New face, I believe. New face, I believe. We're trying currently to get this weird docking thing happening. If you don't like weird things, you're probably on the wrong channel. Okay, there we go. Alright, awesome. Okay, the way I'm going to do this now... Oh, no! That's a loud thing right next to my thing. Is it a mod or did I the craft? We do have a mod. We Kerbal... this thing, the robotics. Infernal robotics. That's the one I'm looking for. Infernal robotics. Let's pull this up if we can. Oh, that's not quite doing what I was hoping it would do. Can we return this to sort of straight? We can. I also want to sort these rotatrons out if we can. Ooh. Has that brought everything nice and level though? It has. Okay. So I've brought the telescopic piston back in. It's not as strong as I would hope. It's not as strong as I would hope. So we're going to have to try and get these hinges to work together. Now I think this one... Yeah, that's the top one, right? I don't want to go that way. I want to go this way. Because then at the same time, we want to level out this other hinge. No, that's going up. We want to go down. Hopefully, we can do this bit by bit. Ooh. And it will work out for us, right? No, that's the wrong way. That's the one we want to carry on this way. I'm just kind of like clicking on things, hoping that it works for us. I mean, it looks like it should work, right? Oh, this is very over the top. Oh, not that way. This way. This way. This way. Yes. No. Yes. No. I don't know. It's there's not a 90-degree angle there. There is definitely some pushback, but I think if we're very, very lucky, are we going to be able to do it? I don't know. I don't know. Yeah. Yeah. Put them landing gear down. Do I quick save it here? I don't know. This might be a bad thing. Undock. Yeah. Now, which one are we controlling here? I don't know. I don't know which one we're focused on. This one wants to come. Yeah, just away. Just away. I don't mind where you go as long as you're away. Control from here would be the nice one. How do we get out away from this? My brakes aren't on. We've not run out of power. Why can't I get away? Get away. Oh. That's okay. We can live with it. Control from here. Radial out. Yes. Okay, let's try and slow this thing down now. Woo! That was tough. Come on, work for me. Don't do it quite so hard. We're going to hit the floor very lightly, I don't know. Oh, no, that wasn't light. That wasn't even slightly light. Oh, that's a good job I put those on there. Well, that's a thing. Are you going to stand yourself back up? I hope so. I hope so. You know ZTech's like a viewer, right? People are like, oh, your ZTech AI helper thing hasn't turned up. He's a viewer. Just pop that down like that. And slowly, over time. Yeah, there we go. I'm not loving what's going on with this this arm here. It definitely did its job, but it's looking a little weird now. Off of weird angles. They're all on zeros, though. Who knows? Who knows? All right, well, that was well saved. I think that was quite well saved. You have done your sector QF7 thing. Let's log that. Keep it. Okay, F5. Thing's done. Hey, TSG, how's it going? How is it going? Right, so that's that one done. I believe. Is that one done? I don't know. It was one of them done, and now we need to go south and find the other two. This is going to be a similar problem. We're going to EVA. We're going to let go. We're going to leave the space crane over there. You know we're going to need it at some point, right? No. Come on, give me one of these. Let's go over that way then. Why would we not? Where are you? Over there. So somewhere over here I need to either pick up this flag so it can tell me that I'm not in the right area anymore. TSG's leg still hurts. What did you do to your leg, man? Matthew just had a shower, feels highly refreshed. Maybe I should have done that. You can create your own Kerbals. Yes, Jack. You just need to go in to the hacks menu. This being my career mode, though, I will not be doing so. Okay, so I've not got a flashing marker, so we're not gonna... because I've not got a flashing marker, this is not the place I want to be. So we're going to pick this one up. What are you? You're an egg-tastic egg hunter, Debris. Wow, I remember that. That was Easter. That was Easter. So I should be able to now take that flag down. I love these flags. They are useful for like things beyond just marking where you have been. Marking for where you want to go as well. Alright, Guinea Pig Gaming, was good to see you, buddy. Was good to see you. We're going to go this way and find ourselves the landing spot. It's down here somewhere. It's down here somewhere. Hopefully we can do it without running out of fuel. We're coming up on half our fuel, so that'll be interesting. I think my lander craft has... Here we go, this is where we want to be. Slow down, slow down, slow down. I think my lander craft has a ladder on it. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, awesome. Yeah, I know, go to your save. Yeah, so there are many ways of doing it. The way Jack the Green Ghost is talking about is if you go down to Kerbals, you can go create. You've also got this whole like system here that tells you all about your Kerbals. But, you know, hacks, man. Hacks. It's like going into creative mode in Minecraft. You're like, yeah, I built this. It's like, oh, that's very good. Did you earn it, though? Auto asparagus. Oh, no. Wait. He's got 2 flags on him. What? Did you just see that? I know I picked up one, but like I should have only had one in the thing. In the a 7.5 kilometer long walk to a waterfall with a change in altitude of 400 meters. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. This is another land here. Where did you go? TSG, where did you go? I mean, those are British numbers. It doesn't sound like you went to anywhere with, you know, 20 kilometer tall waterfall. Jack the Green Ghost saying he doesn't like hacks despite being the one that recommended the cheats. That's cool though. I think I understand. But that one is awesome. The thing with hacks is that in multiplayer game they suck all types of things that we won't discuss on the channel. But when it's single player, you know, they're just mods, right? They're just, you know, do this fun thing because it's not what the game involves. It's good. I like it. I like it. As I've grown older and got more and more au fait with how computer games actually work, my views have definitely changed quite a bit on what counts as a hack and what's a mod. It basically all boils down to whether you're playing single player or not. North Slovenia. Nice, okay. Did I see your comment for the map tips on it? No, I didn't actually. Or if I did, I'm afraid I have forgotten. We can probably go and have a look at that. If we finish this mission, I might even go to... Oh, where is it? Is that the one? No. I put a flag down, right? Is that the one? That's the one. Land here. Okay. We want to go that way. He should be able to pick himself up, right? Yeah, ish. Whoa, why are we tipping? What's going on here? Oh, because I put it on target, not radial. Oh, I'm smart. I'm very smart. I'm very, very, very smart. You mistook them about 2 months ago. Yeah. Oh, Slovenia and Slovakia. Sorry, totally my bad. Totally my bad. I do a lot of bad reading. So we're talking 1.4 kilometers that way, right? Let's click the right button this time. Wow. And we want to go south. This is going to be bad, yo. Good job we just saved it. And we want to go this way. Press click. Go that way for about... I don't know, we went to 40 meters per second, so let's do that. Let's see how far we go. Should imagine I'll be able to just stop somewhere pretty easily. Okay, are we now entering other place? I don't know. I can't see, so that's going to be super interesting. Activate that navigation. Yeah. You're now entering this place. Awesome. This is where I want to be entering. Let's try and put down as gently as we can. Jack is from Bulgaria. Nice. I always love the international flavour that comes to my streams. I think I would find it very, very disappointing if I was just like, yeah, I'm from England. Yeah, I'm from England too. Like, oh, really? Oh, I'm American. No. A great conglomerate of Western society. Nah, not loving it. It would be nice if... hang about. I will go and have a look in a second. I'm just trying to make a good landing right now. As soon as I've made this good landing, I'll read your comment and go find out. 6 meters per second. Let's try and slow back down as we're coming in pretty hard now. Bop. Nice. Nice. So, once again, we should be able to grab this. Just transfer the data inside. Cool. No, I didn't really want to... Oh, I see what I've got to do there. Alright, that's cool. That's a new thing that I've not used before. Cool. Nice. It would be nice if you give me some useful tips because I'm making a map and it's a whip. Okay, cool. I see that we have a pretty international crew. I always love having the international crew. Like, seriously, it's one of the best things about the streams. Should I go and grab that flag now? Make an F5. We very nearly finished this mission. Very nearly finished this mission, which is outrageous. I wasn't expecting to get it done anywhere near as quick as this. But I suppose we had laid everything up for it to be done last time. Okay, we are 700 meters away. It's about 350 meters is halfway. So let's just do this, shall we? About 350 meters is halfway. The controlling your elevation is always the problem here. For 350. Okay, let's start slowing down. It should now just stop us exactly there. Alright, we overshooting? Looks like we're overshooting. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we're moving backwards. Okay, nice. Oh, yeah, that's pretty close. That's pretty close. I always like to do a quick calculation in my head just I'll stop it. Just before we leave about like where the halfway mark is. Landing under 6 meters per second is safe unless you're using basic fins. Yeah, I always like to land under 3. It's just where my safety buffer is in my head. Should we see if we can hit that? I'm going to quick save literally every moment because things go wrong all the time for me. Yeah, we should see if I can hit the ship. Yeah, we got the fuel. We got the fuel. I can come back if I mess it up. It doesn't feel like I'm headed towards it. Oh, is this going to kill me? Bop! I'm glad I saved it. I didn't think I'd actually be able to turn it over. Who won Collaborative Warfare? Well, obviously it was Glorious Leader. He was the one stood at the end going, yes, I won. Unfortunately, it just kind of rolled down into nothing, so it's a bit hard to say who won. Me, Tape and Penguin won. That'd probably be the way to sum it up. Agonarch was definitely the last person to leave. Center of mass, center of lift, center of thrust. I mean, if you want to do that. I literally never see the point of MechJeb. There's other things that can do that sort of stuff for you. The temptation of autopilot for people is just far too strong, if you ask me. But again, single player games, whatever. Do what you like. Just don't try and don't try and go, oh, I'm such a good Kerbal player when MechJeb does it all for you. So the reason I say that is because I had a lot of people. You may or may not know I run a Facebook group for Kerbal. We've got over 7,500 members now, and we got. I suppose I should do that. We had a lot of people turning up, going, "Look how good I am!" And we're like, "Oh, cool. What altitude did you go? What did you do this? What did you do that?" And they're like, "What?" And they're like, "Well, you did the thing. What did you do?" And they're like, "Oh, I don't know." Okay, let's try this last one. It's a bit further south by the looks of it. Oh, we're still navigating towards it. That's good. That's good, yo. So it's over that way somewhere. We're going to go up. Then we're going to go south. Oh, and we're going to go this way, actually. More like this. There we go. That should do it for us, I hope. Everybody watch out for the... ooh, it's a front flip. That. Everyone watch out for that. Okay, so we got to, stop. 7 meters, 3 meters per second. Now we're just going down. I wasn't sure what happened to Agar. He had a baby. He had a baby. Well, obviously he didn't have a baby, but him and his girlfriend had a baby. And suddenly, for some unknown reason, when people have babies, they think that nothing else matters anymore. I mean, so selfish. That wasn't quite how it went down, but close enough, Okay, coming in nice and slow. Gonna touch down, or maybe a little less than that. Bop. Oh, don't you do that. Okay, last bit of science for the win. Review log. Just log it anyway. Okay, yeah. Are we in the Muns Midlands? Now, if I remember correctly, the whole reason we came to the Midlands... look at that first jump. The whole reason we came to the Midlands was to pick up a whole load of science here. I think it was to pick up a whole load of science here. It should have been. Should have been. Let's go and check the science room. Let's also pour the first hot chocolate. Half an hour in. That seems like a great idea. So what are we doing now? If the mission is a success, we're going to obviously have to bring them home. Did anybody see if I had parachutes on that particular lander? That would be hilarious if I've not put anything to get back with. This way and up to the archives. Somewhere in the archives we should have Kerbin, the Moon, Midlands, Okay, so there's the start. Literally nothing back from them. Okay, so we're just going to get everything and then try and come back. Let's do that, because it's always the best way. I'm going to have a drink of this hot chocolate now. Do you guys want to hear me? Oh, my cup's so cold, but the hot chocolate's so hot. Auto asparagus relay. Oh, hello. You're there, are you? Let's fly this. I should really rename that auto asparagus relay, because that's not really a great name. It needs to be like Moon Thingy 1. Hey, Thin Gerber, how's it going? I didn't put parachutes on. That would be such... well, I suppose we're going to connect them up to the... Oh, look at this. Always the way. Literally always the way. Well, it's got a little attachment on top. Let's go stick it into orbit around Kerbin, and we'll try and figure out how we're going to get it home. Before we do any of that, though, I want this. Observe materials bay. Thank you. I want this. Observe mystery goo. Thank you. I want these. Log pressure data. Log temperature data. Oh, no comms range. Great. That's exactly what we want. Crew report. Bam. You can record the assessment. Let's get the EVA out. Let's drop down to the floor just like this. No? Gonna let go? Okay. Get some surface sample. Bam. EVA report. Bam. Is that everything? I think that's everything. We could have done the atmospheric analysis, apart from there's no atmosphere here. So that's a thing. F, no, yep, no. I'm in, we're all good. Wait, we choose to go to the moon not because it's easy or because it's hard, but because we've got a lot of science and a nice amount of reputation too. Don't worry about having bad English, Jack. Like, no one speaks good English here, including me, and I am English, so that's the thing. Moon Science Station 1, set that as target. We're going to wait for it to come round. What, sort of crossing this line here? Do you reckon that'll be what it takes? We'll see. Nice little refuel depot right down low. I think this is probably it. I think this is probably where I want to be. We've got that set as target still, yeah? Set as target, just double check. Yeah, okay, cool. Let's roll! There's no need to double check. There was very much a green line there. 3, 2, 1, go. I've done the wrong thing again. Let's radio up. Oh no, don't do this. When did I last save it? I don't know if this even can work now because of the way this is all like twisted up. Oh, we ain't got no power at all again? Ah, that's unusual. I suppose we'll have to wait for daytime again. When did I last save it? When was that quick save? Yeah, thank you guys. Oh, what an idiot. Someone's going to come in like that. I'm just going to be like, block. Bam. Hello, Nicholas. How are you doing? I hope you're having good times. Did I... Let's challenge. I see what I've done wrong there. Okay, cool. It's called the Mission of Kerbal 11 minibook. Nice. Do I hit F9? I can't remember. I mean, that was a pretty easy thing to do there, so let's do it. Where's Landstrider? That's a very good question. Where is Landstrider? I don't know where Landstrider, Z-Tech, any of that lot are. I assume they've got bored of me and moved on, right? I mean, that's what I'd do. Okay, cool. We're back here. That's all right. That's fine. We can deal with that. Okay, get about halfway again. Oops. Slowly. I'm off to France next week, actually. Oh, no, 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 don't do it, don't do it. Or the week after, actually. Going to a place called Limoges. Tiny little place. Tiny, tiny, tiny little place. My girlfriend's got family out that way, so I was like, yeah, I'll come along, why not? Sounds like fun, right? Of course it sounds like fun. Right, was this the last one? It wasn't, was it? No. I remember that quick save a little bit more often. Just a little bit more often. Not overly so. Got this one? Obviously. Okay. Let's come out this way and get this again. Literally seconds. Literally seconds. That. Go. That's about far enough. And then we go this way. If I can do this again. That way. A little bit further. About there, probably. About there. Look up in chat. Why am I looking up? I've not gone far enough, have I? Oh, yes, yes we have. Perfect touchdown. Perfect. That wasn't at all a last second panic. Sorry if I went a little bit quiet there. I was last second panicking my way into having a decent landing. It's pretty good though. It's pretty good. Observe mystery goo. Did that one not observe? Oh, we got that. That's cool. This one is the one we really want. Let's log that up. Keep hold of it. Good. This, log pressure. Log it up. Nice. EVA down our way and then press F5. I'll put it here again. A part of my mini book that I'm writing on Wattpad about my recreation of 11 Apollo mission in KSP. We'll choose to go to the moon. Ah, I read that. I read that. EVA report. Cool. No. Surface sample. Cool. Okay, that should be everything and ready to do a... Ooh. Of course, this isn't directly up and down, is it? Relative coordinates are always very interesting. Come in. Press B. Now we're going to F5 it. Just going to sit here with my finger on the F5 button. Just wait and see what happens. So we want this one here. Set as target. Let's try and get this working properly this time. Something like that. Maybe a little further. A little further around. Not too much further around. Obviously, it's going to take us a while to build up the speed to get up there. But this should work for us. Hopefully. Okay. Radial push. F5. Let's do it again. Why not? Go. Just going to go straight up. And then we can go east. Like so. Okay, looking good. Looking good. Close this. Have to try and get a lot of speed up. We're actually looking to go over that way. Are we going to dump this? I don't know. See what's going on with this. Yeah, we're going to end up dumping that, aren't we? Yep. Yeah, we are. That's okay. It's kind of one of the reasons I brought it. You should put a sign on a ship saying do not bump Kerbals at 35 meters per second. It will flip. Yeah, that's probably a good idea, actually. Okay, we're ready for the stage. I'm getting ready for the stage. It's getting close to be ready for the stage. Should I spin it up? I think I should probably spin it up. Let's try and get rid of this. 5, 4, 3. Oh, it's a long countdown. 2, 1, 0 and a bit. Pop. No. Pop. Woo! Okay, there we go. Let's stop the engine. Oh, I'm only like majorly off of where I wanted to be. What have I done here? Got too wrapped up in stuff. Watch this. We'll add a maneuver here. Cannot add maneuver. We are control locked. That is ridiculous. Where's Kerbal? Kerbin. That's terrible. All right, give me a pathway then. Gonna have to do it by hand. Oh, man. Oh, it's been ages since I've had to do a flight like this by hand. Okay. I want to go radial in. I know it sounds weird, but that's what we're going to do. Oh, it'll be that idiot that was just on a second ago. You know, I always love the type of person that comes in to insult just to show how much of an idiot they are. And it's like, oh, well, ain't you a fool? You think you're trying to make yourself out to be some big thing, but you really ain't. 6, 7. Okay, we want to slow down a bit here, maybe? I don't know. That's quite an intersection. I reckon if we just got this right, can I put down a thing yet? I don't know. Oh, look at that. That really messed me up there. It's okay. That's good. It's not good, but it's workable. Can we add a maneuver yet? No, we can't. So let's just warp over here. We're going to have to do this manually. Okay. Descending node 5.9. We'll go to normal to bring it up. Do I have a heat shield? No, I don't even have parachutes. So we're going to have to go dock this with a station. Not sure why the lack of parachutes was a thing. Don't know if it was a conscious decision or not. 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's good enough to start thinking about it. The next one, yeah. Oh, went too far. There. That's what we want. We can do that. What to next maneuver node? What we got? 5.68. That loads. Loads. Okay. We want to get closer than that. About here. Pop. Ooh, is that good enough? 1.5? 1.3? I think 1.3 is good. Do you think 1.3 is a good approach? I think so. Kerbal nerd, we're coming back from the moon. Like the mun, not even the moon. It's not actually like that hard to aerobrake from anywhere in the Kerbal system. You could literally be coming back. We're on target, right? You could literally be coming back from Minmus and still be fine. Did I hit the right button? Did the thing that I want to happen there? I don't know. Yeah, I did. Awesome. All right, cool. We'll come in for a little bit of a dock. It's looking pretty good. Pretty good. I don't know where I'm going to try and attach to. I haven't even begun to figure that out. But it's got a science station on it, so we'll see what we're going to do there. Hey, Space Tech Guy, I've discovered that you can make a spark shower with near-future propulsion. Yeah. Those, spark effects, I don't know, I don't like them. I really don't like them. So I'm looking at these docking ports here and wondering whether they've got the space I want. Okay, so set that as a target, that's cool. Yeah, no, this is going to be okay. This is going to be okay. Do we have anyone still in this ship? I don't know. I don't know. Unfortunately, it's probably going to be space junk now, this ship. It's not got the oomph to make it up and down to the moon just with this, I don't think. Let's just float on by. Float on by. I mean, honestly, who needs RCS? There you go. Now let's point at the target. Oh, am I pointed at it enough? I don't know. I've got RCS on here. Look at all this RCS. But no actual RCS ports. What happens if I... Yeah, nothing. Man, who builds this stuff? Definitely want the designer to get shot here, you know. Let's bring her in. Bring her in. NASA need me as one of their pilots. Look how smooth that docking went. Can any of you do that? Wow. Hey, Regular Ruby, how's it going? Yeah, no, Kerbal Nerd. When you come back from the moon or Minmus, you can do an aero brake in Kerbin's atmosphere and be absolutely fine. You ain't got no worries there. What's going on here? So this obviously is designed to just like smash into the moon at some point. I might even just decouple this. Let's steal all the fuel. Steal all the fuel when all else fails. In. I'm clicking it. There we go. In and in. Because this might need to go back. Ooh, that's not what I wanted. I right clicked and things happened. In and in. There we go. We'll just let it fill up all the way. There'll be loads of room. Loads of room. Okay, cool. Now we want to kind of transfer all the science up here. Can we do that from here? No. Okay, let's have a look then. We're gonna have to do it individually. I've not done this before, not like this. So transfer data to there? No, it wants to send it all there. Yes, okay. One of these guys should actually be a scientist, Debuna, brought up specifically because scientist. Let's. This isn't good. How do I then? Container transfer data to there. Why can't I send my science across? What's going on? Let's transfer it down here instead. Select part to transfer. Escape to cancel. Why won't this do the thing that it needs to do? No scientist pro. Okay. Well, let's get you out of here. Can we grab science? Take data. And take all this data. And we'll see what people are screaming at me in the chat, because no doubt I've got things wrong. Restore. And restore. Okay, they're good. Just put one engine. Okay, what are we doing tonight? We are collecting stuff from everywhere. We're collecting moon science, and I'm trying to figure out how to get it into this science module up here. I've got some science trapped in this this core. I don't know. Maybe we'll be able to get it. This is me going in here. Okay, so that's the scientist gone in, and maybe now we can transfer stuff from here. Transfer to there. No. I mean, we've got a load of science on here. I don't know. I don't know what we're doing wrong here. Let's start that research. No, I just took a whole load of data. Oh wait, I know what I'm doing. Honestly, review the data. Process lab, process lab, process lab, process lab, process lab. I know what I'm doing, obviously. Transfer data. Can't do it like that. Can I review the data? Review store data. Process lab. Process lab? Can't do that. Is that because we're full? Let's, no, not do that. Let's keep and have a look. See, is that because we're full? Data. No, we're not full. We're not even close to full, so... must just be this one. We'll keep it and maybe return home with it. Now, I was talking about having an SSTO that could fly up here, but I'm not sure if I can make a moon SSTO. I wish there was a crafting mod reference to Minecraft that could craft small parts such as parachutes and will make it much easier. Do you mean being able to make I don't know, a solar panel up here and then attach it to the side of your craft? Because there are mods that do that. There's not Kerbal Constructs, what is it? Construction Time? Stuff like that? I know, that enable you to do stuff out and about. Hey Jonah, how's it going? Jonah 301. Oh yeah. Where are we going? I don't know where we're going right now. We have literally finished the bit that I wanted to do, so we're going to try and figure out some other stuff now. The research is running. The research is running. We could probably do with another scientist. Can we level him up? Level up crew. Bam. Did that get him? That didn't actually level him up. That is a shame. That is a shame. Extraplanetary launch pads. Yeah, but that does bases on other planets. It's the one that gives you the space place. You know, the space place. The space place. Now, did we earn enough money from there for me to like just send out a ship? Let's go to the astronaut complex. Let's try and figure out where everyone is, because we got more people out and about than we got anywhere else. We got some Minipede people. I don't know if we did anything in the Minipede. Let's send a 3-man rescue thing to Minmus. Let's go and find out where the Minipede is. Do you guys want to know where the Minipede is? So the Kerbal attachment and inventory system allow you to take up all the radial parts in a Kerbal inventory and attach them to a ship, which is pretty good. I like that. I like that a lot. Minipede. There we go. Wham. Let's see what we got. I have no idea. Hey, Pure Gamer, how's it going? Good times? Yeah, I hope we're having good times. We are. I'm having a great time. I'm having a great time. Just about to finish my first hot chocolate. It's a day. Oh, yeah. So what we got up here? Let's have a look. You got data and like 400 science. Transmit that science home. Is that going to take a lot? Is that going to take more power than we have? That might take more power than we have. How do we set these to allow partial? And you allow partial. Okay, cool. There we go. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. This seems like a contender for craft that should have more solar panels on them. I don't know how you guys feel about that. I don't know how I feel about getting my sign. Oh, it's Samwin. I kind of want to bring this home somehow, you know. All right, let's fly some people down. I kind of just want this science to get processed on here. Let's have a look. We got 5 science per day. How do we? Hang about stop transmitting. You stop transmitting. Okay, everyone stop transmitting. You are still researching at a ridiculously slow rate, right? Yep, cool. We're going to speed up some time. I need to make sure we don't go through 2 years, though. That's the only thing. Literally waiting on the electric charge. So now that we've done that, can we transmit that home? Done? Transmit science? There we go. Okay, that's better. We're going to be able to send all this home. I don't know. Minmus is just the best science place. It is indeed. I make craft by actually making them and attaching them. Yeah, it's alright, Kerbal. Like, when people disagree with you, that doesn't mean they haven't misunderstood what you've said. It just means they probably think that another way is better. You probably have probably already put that data from the seismometer inside the lab before. Yes, I think that's probably correct, TSG. That's why I kind of just left it there. Is this still taking forever? Can we speed this up and send it through quicker? Because that's like 500 science. That's a lot of science to send home. Okay, so that's 500 science, and we've still got more data to go through. I'm wondering whether I want to send up another scientist to help process this data. So I'm starting to feel that, you know, I never actually need anything other than scientists. Okay, how long would it take for this to cruise on through 500 more science? The days are racking up. Let's go even faster. Can we go even? This is it. This is full tilt. This is as fast as we can go. Drive into the sun is hard. It really is. Like, if you're having that much trouble getting into the sun, sometimes it makes more sense to go further out first. So I would go out to Joule and then do a transfer from Joule down to the sun, because that's actually less delta V to do that. Which I know doesn't seem right, but it really, really is. Did that not work? Oh, 80... Oh, we're going to get there. We're going to get there. That's going to be another 500 science. That's amazing. That's amazing. Challenge. Land a 20-ton vehicle on Gilly using a vector. Yeah, maybe. Oh, Kerbal Nerd, feeling the simulation sickness on that. Sorry about that, man. Sorry about that. I just wanted to make sure we could get through all this science. It's still not even done. I might just... Are we going to just bring these guys home? I'm going to just bring these guys home. Oh, alright, Gary Gamer. It was good to see you, though. It was good to see you. Thank you for coming in and saying hello. Always nice. Always nice. Do we want to go do a sandbox challenge and drive into the sun? Using the Oberth effect. Oh yeah, we got 1,000 science now. Where are we going to spend that 1,000 science? There's something in particular I'm really after, not the heavy landing. Advanced motors, does that sound right? Do we want to get some advanced motors? Experimental science, ion propulsion, large probes, automation. That'd be nice. RTGs would also save me in a lot of situations, but that's 1,000 science straight out. Hey, Sikula, I'm gonna go with. If I got your name wrong, do like post in the comments how I got it wrong, because it was good. Very heavy rockets. You want me to take very heavy rockets? Okay, we can do that. I'm afraid I am going to take a small hot chocolate break. You're just going to have to ignore all the noises in the background as I pour from one metal container into a ceramic one and jiggle my spoon around. And I'm sure you guys are all about the background knowledge of what's going on out here. All right, meta material, advanced metalwork. Should we get this? I've been looking for that a lot. Shielded docket. Okay, we're going to get that. Someone wants the very heavy rockets. Let's get very heavy rockets. And that's actually it. That's... Oh, look. Heavy landing. I reckon if we go and do some science on the moon... Name is Mark. Okay, I will try and remember... Like, for the rest of today, I will definitely remember that you are Mark. That's no problem. You're right, Mark. How's it going? I'm Twitchi. I'm not going to drop my real name. If you listen enough, you'll probably find it at some point. Oh, let's all sing the disappointment song. So, I don't know about you guys, but since Kerbal 1.3 dropped, I've been getting a lot of crashes. And I only run 4 mods. Literally only run 4 mods. I don't know what's causing all these crashes. Yeah, in real life, it orbits the sun at... Oh, so what? Someone's watched some... is it Minute Earth? Is that the one that was going on? Minute Physics or something like that? Telling us about how hard it is to get into the sun. No, you want a hot chocolate. Everyone should drink hot chocolate. It's so tasty. TS Kerbal Nerd, sorry, is like, yeah, crash. I knew it would happen. I'm sorry, guys. I don't know what's going on. When I look at the crash reports, it blames the module manager. But the module manager sits in between Kerbal and the actual mods, so I'm not sure whether it's just looking at that layer and going, oh, this is something that's gone wrong, when it's actually something behind. I can't find a new module manager anyway, so just gonna have to live with it, I suppose. I don't like just living with these things. No, Super Gary Gamer's birthday is tomorrow. Happy birthday for you, buddy. So NASA has an idea called Solar Probe 2005 to use Jupiter's gravity to fall into the sun. Oh, I had an idea. I was going to be like, 2005? That's already gone, mate. But yeah, I didn't know about that, which is unusual. I know about most of NASA's crazy proposed ideas. Where is the moon? It was a weird, like, early mission, so we're not going to be able to see the moon station nice and easy. There it is. Look, where is it? Look, it's like... 4th mission? No, it's midway through. It's probably about a year ago. Hey, Landstrider, how's it going, buddy? Good to see you, man. Good to see you. You'll be glad to know that the lander that I had flipped on its side has made its way up to here. We got the crane working. It worked. It worked incredibly well, but not amazingly well. You know, there were a few problems. We had to reload a few things. But yeah, all in all, it worked. At which point we found out that it doesn't actually have any parachutes on it. So that's fun. I'm now wondering whether this can land itself down on the moon and back or not. I want to transfer this out of here. Do we have anywhere on here that takes monoprop? This takes monoprop. Have we used any of it? No. Okay, what about here? Anyway, what I'm actually here for is to see if we've got some science to transmit. 404 science! Transmit that stuff back home. Do I have the appropriate... Yeah, I got solar panels. I got stuff. This isn't going to be hard. And that should then give us quite a lot of stuff. Quite a lot of stuff. I was playing Kerbal Space program and I was landing on Juno and the game crashed. Didn't turn the game on for 1 week. I know exactly. When a technical issue just throws up. You can ask Landstrider about his stream yesterday. When a technical issue just comes up and you're like, but I can't do anything about this. You're just like, I don't want to do this anymore. I just don't want to do this anymore. It's completely destroyed my idea of what's a great place. I've still got all the data. So we were just at the Minipede. You remember the Minipede, right, Landstrider? Back on Minmus, of course. Well, I mean, wasn't it? A new lunar probe is delayed by a year by Russia. If you want to know about moon science, go and check out what the Chinese are doing. They are all about the moon science at the moment. So anyway, 669 science. That can get us the heavy... Oh, I mean, it could get us one of these. High-performance fuel systems. Metamaterials. I always think it's a shame that they saved this hub connection thing until the very end, because like early on in the game it would make more sense. Now I just like stick random things on the side of other random things. Gantry rails, oh yeah. Experimental aerodynamics. This this is great. It's got one of the highest heat resistances in the game, if you guys were wondering. I found that out in the war. We could get the big heat shield on the go. Big heat shield. I mean, it is the one that's back here. Let's do it. Bam. There we go. We got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. Plus a bunch of 50s. So let's call that 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. So 6,010, 6,100, 6,200, 6,300 science is all we need to finish this off. 6,300. Kerbal Nerd wants to blow our minds. I would like to know what's going on with that. Ikroy, did I say hello? I'm not sure if I did, but hello. How are you doing? Space Tech Kai, editing a new video right now. What your video? What video? Yeah. Always interested to know. Right, I'm literally going to send some missions out to go and collect some of my Kerbals, because wow, just wow, they're all out all over the spot. It's not great. It's not great. So this now, before we do anything, this is to bring people home. So let's get those parachutes on here. Let's just get all the parachutes on here, because I always do bad at this. Okay, right, there we go. Parachutes are a good one. Okay, another thing that I always forget, let's get a communication system on the go. This is 15G, 2G. 15 is the only way to go there. Sexy. I only want the one though. I only want the one. Hey, 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 hey. Give it. Thank you. That one there, that one there. It looks good. It looks good. Okay, so we're just going to Minmus. So, to go to Minmus, I think we're just going to get one of these on the bottom with a poodle, and this will bring us home, right? This is how we get back home. I wish I'd remembered... I need to write a little cheat sheet out next to me, like how much the basic missions cost, how much it costs to go to Minmus, how much it costs to go to the moon, return journeys for those, coupling, a big one of these, okay, cool, and something like this. 1 Joule 5 should be enough. Guess which KSP version? 1.8. 0 point something. I know there's an entire website out there that is literally just old Kerbal versions. Is it 7 to get to Minmus, or is it 7 to return from Minmus? I can't remember. I cannot remember. So what I'm going to do is we're going to come into the sub-assembly and do this outside onion skin. Like that. Da-da-da-da! And that's 7. That's okay, cool. Not F2, number 2 is what I want there. Do we want to put some aerodynamic nose cones? Those are the words I'm looking for. Sorry, I'm just not used to saying it. It's like preparing yourself before a swear word, right? You're like, do I want some? Right, this goes that way. Nope, 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 nope. This way. There we go. That kind of looks good, right? I feel happy with that. Let's at the same time put these down here. Okay, that should work well. Crew, bus, Minmus. Oh, it kind of rhymes. 1.0 to 0.5, yeah. That was a good version, to be fair. It was a good version. The 1.2 command pod has crazy 400... Oh, well, this one... Oh, doesn't it just... Here, look. Let's move this out of the way. Not only does it have like 50G crash tolerance, 4.5 meters per second impact. I thought the temperature was also quite high, but yeah, that impact tolerance. Wow. Ah, that is a thing. Monoprop. Don't want monoprop. Literally, I'm landing somewhere and I'm coming back. There's no docking ports. So, parachute, communicatron, power. Does anyone else remember what else is supposed to be on my checklist? You know, as we do this wrong so often. Maybe some landing legs wouldn't go amiss. What do you guys think? Like that? Yeah, landing legs are probably good. Probably? Probably. Something like that looks good to me. Let's retract them all back. Okay. I see no reason why this... the small fixed wheels... Best by a lot. Okay, heat shield. Kerbal Nerd loves his heat shields. Alright, let's do it. Let's do it. Where are we going to put a heat shield in? It's going to be right here. Not like that. Like this. Okay, grab that out. Let's get thermal heat shield. Maybe a bit much. 3.57. There we go. No. Oh, okay. 2 is what I want. Yeah, things are going to burn off, but I don't mind. I don't mind. Now, if I remember correctly, this should be able to... jettison the heat shield. No, that's not what I want. I want to... Because jettisoning means get rid of your heat shield, which is, you know, not bad, but not what I want. Coupling. That one. Always looks good. Okay. So, all these are really set up wrong. Outside, inside. Oh, okay, no, these are good. Everything drops. Yeah, this one should have been firing well earlier. The liquids drop. That's wrong. We want that up here. These kind of also want to go in with this lot. Something like that. I think that's kind of where we want to be. Save, launch. Ba-da-ba-ba. It will slow you down quickly. So does just being. No, you don't love them. It sounds like you love them. When will they end? Mark, I'm not sure. Probably in an hour. Maybe a little bit longer. It actually boils down to when my friends show up at my front door. I stream during the day because I'm very lonely when I'm left on my own during the day. I've noticed that I've made a big mistake. I'm very lonely when I'm left on my own during the day, so I do stuff like this to keep me company. Hey guys, isn't it great to hang out? And then people turn up, and they're very obnoxious people. They will not mind me at all calling them obnoxious. They're very loud, very forthright, very outspoken people. Salt of the earth, you know. Love them to bits. Not the best to have in the background when you're streaming, though. Is that good? Is that good? Do we want some power? Because I could just see me coming down on the dark side of Minmus, and I'll be like, oh no, I ain't got no battery life, and then we'll crash into the thing, and everyone will laugh at me and tell me I'm a bad Kerbal player, despite the fact that I've probably made more landings on more planets than any of them. Okay, let's see if this works. Hey, Bluroo, how's it going? Nice, like, thumbnail. What's that called? That's called an avatar. Yeah, sounds like your family. Yeah, exactly. Landstrider. Love them to bits. Wouldn't want them to do anything different, but could you just shut up? Okay, so let's try and turn this. Oh, look, do we see some problems? You see these people here? I don't want them here. I like this. This is exactly what I wanted. A thing I love about sounding rockets is that the SRBs decouple on their own if radio attached when empty. That's nice. That's nice. Sounds a little hacksy. Almost as hacksy as this fuel flow thing. Oh, we should do that, right? No. Today I'm not, because I want to be able to just like look at stuff. Let's stick with some technology that I'm familiar with. Loud and unconcerned. I mean, that's a good tagline for a stream name. Really, like. Welcome to Twitchy streams, loud and unconcerned. That'd be great. Also, I'm really hot. Give us a second, guys. I'm going to open the window that's right next to me. If this has changed my audio sounds, I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. Well, you don't want to know about my family. I bet I do, Kerbal Nerd. I bet I do. 3, 2, 1. Blast off. Okay, looking pretty good. Pretty good. Let's just turn over to about the 5 or 10 degree mark. It's the best area to be at in my very, very extensive experience. Okay, we're about here. I just want to pull up a little more because we seem to be getting pulled north, and I'm not sure why. I do know why. Now that I stop and look at it. Do you see any fins anywhere, guys? Any fins anywhere at all? Look at this. Look at it. Arrgh! Let's just do this then. Woo! It works. Let's zoom out. You guys want to see this, right? Whee! I don't know. If you don't want to see it, I want to see it. It's nice. It's nice. All right. Revert flight to vehicle assembly. The original 4 are in detention. I don't know. I don't know which original 4, but maybe, yeah. Okay, so here, like right in that gap there, you guys see it? I shouldn't try and talk and drink at the same time. I'm gonna die like that. Let's come down here. Tail fin. Now this is one of the things that really annoys me. You go all the way up. It's got the same same symmetry as all the others, but look, I can't get in between the things, between the. I don't even know what you want to call these nodes, I suppose. So I kind of just have to let it float and then try and point it in the right direction, and then realise that I'm using the wrong button because, you know, that's how Kerbal works. And then you go like that, and then I think I'm going to twist as I fly, but it will do. It will do. Save launch. This should do it. Jed, Bob, Bill, and Val. They're around somewhere. Oh, are we talking in your story? Okay, cool. Boom. Bum 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 bum, chicka chicka bum. Yeah, it's the chicken song. Alright, I'm just gonna go up because, you know, up is the nice easy direction, right? Go. Keyboard. Go. Not impressed with the space bar on my new keyboard. Not at all. Only works half the time. Much like myself. Lol. I wish I was talking about employment. Okay, something like that. Now, this kind of feels all good. Kind of feels all good. Feels a little back and forth wobbling, north and south wobbly if you look at that. But I think we're good. In fact, if anything, I'm going a little bit too up right now. So let's see if we can't just ease it over this way. That's not easing. That's a full-on bounce. Oh well, looks like we're going up. That's fine. Space Tech Guy's exporting his video. He'll be able to chat for a while. That's awesome. Awesome. Always like people who can chat. Does make it a little bit more interesting than just staring at a blank screen. Let's just try and pull this up this way. I feel like I may have slightly overcooked it. Coming up at 3.5 G. We got a bit of a wobble on. Let's see if I can't correct that wobble. Let's just go there. Be gone with you! Oh, they dance! That wasn't quite the dance I was expecting them to perform, but that was a dance. Up to 49 kilometers on the Apple apps. That's nice. Only 20 kilometers height at the moment, though. Let's just ease our way back. As long as we're still going up with over 1G, I think I will be a happy bunny. I think, actually, we start slowing down now. Ooh, a little bit of a judder. Why would you judder, sir? Actually, I know why you're juddering. It's got too many parts on the go. E equals MC squared is complete. Yeah, of course it is. It's E squared is 2m4c by p2 something momentum. Right? Yeah. What's my favourite mod on KSP? It's either Infernal Robotics. Actually, no. I'll tell you exactly what my favourite mod on KSP is. It says Kerbal Engineer. You see this output of information at the top here? This is caused by Kerbal Engineer. You can also open up this ridiculous set of panels that just tell you everything you could ever know about everything you ever want to know. So that's what I like. You can see how we're doing around the body, what our thermal flux is like, surface information, how high over the terrain we are, our speeds and stuff like that. This is by far my favourite mod. Followed very closely by the Kerbal alarm clock, which enables you to not miss the maneuver nodes you have set up. So good. So good. Kerbal transfer window planner, you put in where you want to go and it tells you when to go, which is also really good. And it interfaces with the alarm clock, so you tell it where you want to go and it goes, oh, you want to go here then? And you go, cool, you hit the button and it puts it in the alarm clock for you, which is just amazingly good. A vessel mover, not so good in career mode. I never use it in career mode. Well, I think I've used it once in career mode. But it literally just picks up your ship and you can move it around like you would if you were in like God mode, you know, you pick up the ship and you go, I want it on the other side of the planet, and I just hit my microphone, so on. Yeah, stuff like that. As for parts, I love the robotics mod, Infernal Robotics. Cannot get enough of that. Allows you to do all the weird things that you ever wanted to do with a spacecraft, including making robot arms and stuff like that. Just out of parts, you know? Just out of parts. Which definitely gets my seal of approval. I know a lot of people are fans of BD Armory, Kerbal Constructs, stuff like that as well. Hey Sir Swagalot, how you doing, buddy? How you doing? Always good to see you. You can denote it as... oh, it's a couple of squares. Okay, yeah, I mean, like... you should make an aircraft carrier. Oh, wrong stream. Blurru. If you come along to my war streams on Tuesdays, I don't know if that's going to be a regular thing. In fact, I've got to pass on my save file. I really should do that. Oh, did I stop literally just as it... oh, anyway, whatever. I've gone up pretty high. I'm not sure if this is as high as I want it to be. 100 kilometers is a lot higher than I normally go. I'm normally tucking it in around about 100, sorry, 50, 70, 75 is where I like to be, skimming the top of the atmosphere for full Earth effects. Oh, I can't say. Dude, if you want to out physics, you go for it, but I've probably got a few more years on you. I've been listening to a lot of stuff. Obviously, it's all about the dark energy right now, dark matter and dark energy right now. You know, are they just wimps? Are they gravitational effects? Are they actually shadows of matter in other universes? Who knows? That's my favourite one. It's like, you know, everyone's like, yeah, gravity is so much weaker compared to the other forces. And I'm like, yeah, that's because it leaks through the four-dimensional membrane. And people are like, what? And I'm like, the bulk, yeah? You guys know the bulk, where all the multi-dimensions are kept. And they're like, yay. Alright, no more hot chocolate, I'm afraid, but we are on to squash. Blackcurrant and apple squash. Oh, yeah, Kerbal Nerd. I will definitely get on that when I remember when I'm not doing a maneuver. Are we there? Nearly there. Let's point ourselves into the nice pro-grade facing direction. That has got away from us, our Apple apps. Okay, let's figure out, where are we going? No, it's not there. It's close, but that's not the one I want. That's the one I want. Let's set that as target. Nice. Am I like literally... I am like literally there. Okay, add this maneuver. See if we can't just go... how far has that gone out to? 44 is pretty good, actually. That is pretty good. That's about where I like it to be. I would prefer closer to 4. Ah, oh, look. So close. So close. Let's drag it back in a bit. Put it back up. No. That way. There. There. Okay, then this definitely wants to come this way and pull out. Oh, I went the wrong way. That's fine. Apart from my ship's nearly there. That way? Oh no! I'm going to have to do some things and find out though. Come on. Put me there. Alright, maybe I did get it wrong then. That's a good approach. Oh wow. That is quite the double approach there. It's kind of what I'm after, something like that. Let's bring it in some more. No, let's not. No, I want to kill this. Come on, give me control of my maneuver nodes. This is one point they really need to work on, is getting these maneuver nodes sorted. Pull this back down. I want this to be at 40 kilometers, just a straight natural 40 kilometers. 35, 37. We're close enough to maybe even pull it down a bit. No, do that one then. No. Well, I tried to do it in one fancy maneuver node. It wasn't going to have it. Just wasn't going to have it. I do like my fancy maneuver nodes, though. 27... 72? Man, such fine detail. Such fine detail. Right, like that. Bring it in. Tweak it around. Get it right. That'll do me. I wouldn't mind actually doing that. That looks like it would be a fun little trip to take. Why don't I install some texture mods? So, space tech guy, let me tell you a story about how terrible my internet is. So terrible that if I was to get a nice dusting of clouds on the Kerbal, it would put my bit rate over the top. I'm not sure if you understand how internet video is pushed across, but it's all about the number of changes that happen on screen, right? So anything with lots of texture to it, lots of bumps, lots of detail, that means those details and bumps are going to be moving across the screen relatively fast, thus increasing the bit rate. I can put up exactly 669 kilobytes per second. This runs at exactly 674 kilobytes per second. If I put a single mod on here to make the visuals a little nicer, you would just end up with squares. I mean, I want to go and like stream some XCOM and stuff like that. No, I can't. It's just exit. It's just boxes. It's just boxes. So that's why. Thank you for inducing that rant in me. All right, let's go around here and let's get this one done. Let's just do this. Let's just do this. We don't need to be ranting all on my own. I could be ranting whilst I'm doing stuff. That's so much better. So much better. Alright, fly. Oh, break, fly. Breaking stuff. Now let's fly. It's going to take a while. Am I going to have all the fuel? I should have all the fuel. There's no reason why I shouldn't have all the fuel. This one's probably going to run out soon. But I've got another little pad, and we're just landing on Minmus, so whatever. Little pad? Yeah, you heard me. Little pad, little lander. With some fuel in the tank. I do not have connection, because I've not folded this out. Extend antenna, there we go. That should be better. Yep, full connection. That's what I'm after. That's what I'm liking. Okay, can we get down all the way to 4.1? It's pretty good. It's pretty good. I love these little streams. One times in the chat, people offered your souls. It's true. Well, you know, if you have a 17th of your soul going spare, I will quite happily take it off your hands. I'll look after it for the vast majority of eternity. Yeah, obviously, you've looked after it since the beginning of eternity, so I can't look after it for all of eternity. But I will quite happily have it for whatever's left, you know? Go! This shouldn't take too long. 3, 2, 1. Okay, shall we see how bad it is? Ah, see, just flying by instruments, terrible. It's not how you want to do work. It's not how you want things to work for you. Oh, space tech guy wants to run away because we're asking for his soul. I mean, that just seems incredibly selfish to me. Let's push this up this way. That's intriguing. It's quite a small set of streams. Fair try to pull this up. Quite a small set of streams these past couple of weeks. It's been interesting. It seems to have just suddenly taken a sharp dive for some reason. I'm not sure why. It's just the way life works, you know. Ain't no ting. Ain't no ting. You came here for the flips, but you're not seen no flips. You missed it right at the beginning, honestly. It happened right at the beginning. We flipped over some landers. Should probably rename it now. TSG would give me mine if he had one. I mean, you know, if you don't have one, then giving away 1/17 wouldn't be a problem, right? Tom not loving the fact that he's missed the flips. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. Generally, whatever's in the title happens at the beginning, right? Stop. Warp here. So let's do this. Am I totally out of fuel, or do we have some fuel? Oh, I'm so close to being totally out of fuel that it's quite funny. Am I going to be able to stop? Yeah. I got like delts to spare. And that one. Now we got to make sure we line up right. Who knows where they're at? The Minipede, right? The Minipede. Let's get down to 20 kilometers. Sounds good. Warp me down here. Should really have kept an eye on Minmus to try and figure out where things are. Is that them? No, that's not them. Is that it there? No, Minmus Lab. If I was the Minipede. Is it here? I'm sure we put it up on a hill somewhere. Minipede, there we go. Set as target. That's going to be tough. Not going to be impossible, but it is going to be tough. Oh, I should have left it up a little bit. Oh, we'll go over. Do I want to do that now? Who knows? TSG is going to make a direct ascent to Moho when the stream ends. That's an interesting way of doing it, man. I don't think I'll ever make a direct ascent to the middle bits ever again. Apart from in, like, the war. Because, yeah, we've got, like, infinite power there. Or as Palpatine says, unlimited power! Sadly, your soul is the quantum field energy generated inside your body. Sounds like pseudoscience, mate. Oh, look, we're actually going straight for it here. This is nice. This is nice. This is nice. Let's stop. Oh, no. That's not stopping. That's not how you stop. That's good fun, though. We want to go, like, this way somewhat. I think. Is that the right way? Nope. No, of course not. Hang on, Tom. I will show you a flip in a second. Just wanted to do that. Okay, you ready? You watching? Woo! Oh no, that's a spin. There we go. Flip! Whee! Did an entire flip. Do you want to see a back flip as well? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, and all the way! And stick that landing. Not quite, but it was close. Twitchy logic. Stop equals speed up. It's true. It's true. It's where the real stopping power lies. Okay, let's see what's going on here. I'm slightly overshooting. That's good. That's where I want to go. See what happens if we time warp down this way. Are we going to cross paths? I don't know. Oh, it's close. There. That's like almost... No. We want to go further. Am I going to be able to stop at these sorts of speeds? I don't know. Honestly, I haven't got a clue. About there, I suppose. No, wrong one. That way. We're going roughly straight down. Let's see what happens from this. Ah, I know what's wrong here. Surface. Could literally spit when that happens. Okay, so we need to make sure that that gets pushed over that way somewhat. Okay, well, I've lined stuff up. Oh, I've got a little case of hiccups. What other games do I play? I have been known to play almost anything from Clay, Mark of the Ninja, Don't Starve, Oxygen Not Included. Looking forward to their new Grimworld one. I play Kerbal, obviously. Anything sci-fi. If you believe in the law of conservation of energy, which is an iffy one, but okay, and you know that you are basically just energy being contained by some matter, your brain, again, a dodgy one, but okay, and since energy can't be destroyed or only converted, yeah, I mean, all of these things have caveats to them. This is the problem. Like, I myself am just emergent behaviour, you know, in the same way that when you're watching some birds flock and you see those nice little undulations of waves, that wave doesn't exist. It's just something that we interpret to exist. And I think consciousness is very similar to that. It doesn't actually exist. Like we are complex enough to give the impression of free will, is my favourite saying. You know, we're not actually free-willing beings. Everything that has happened up into your life has led you to make the choices that you're going to make, not some random mythical energy inside you. But I know that's not a very popular point of view. I know a lot of people dislike that. It's Kerbin. Ooh, it's nice. Are we going to be able to land in safety? I don't know. I really want to leave it to the last second because obviously there was a suicide burn readout on one of these, right? It's too late now. It's too late now. We're not going to be able to do that. But how close can I go? I don't know. Looking at how quick the speed drops down, that's pretty quick. So I think we can get really close. That sounds like justification talk for someone who can't prove what they try and believe in. Speak to many people using this type of logic. Never impressed by it. 4, 2, 1, and down. Yeah. Okay. Are we gonna have enough fuel to get back? I don't know. Probably. Best do, because I'm not coming back now. Alright, the millipede! Any more science to send home? 45. Just send that home as we drive. Let's go find our best friend. Where is he? He's this one, right? Minmus crew bus. Woo! Wah, wah. Love this music. Though it's one of the musics that are free, royalty free out on the internet. So I keep hearing it in other people's videos and stuff that aren't to do with Kerbal, and I'm like, you're tainted. You're tainted. There's a different one inside each intelligence in the universe. Yeah, I'm a bit more of a materialist, if you will. Yeah, which, again, I know doesn't make me massively popular. Man, this guy needs to roll a bit faster. But at the same time, I don't want to go past too fast. Do I just get these guys out and let them jetpack over there? I think we're just going to get these guys out and jetpack. Good to see Valentina back on board, actually. We need to do so. What's she got? She's never left the Kerbin system. I'm probably going to have to deal with that. Samwin has been all the way... Look at this. He's been Kerbin, the Mun, Minmus, Sun, Juna, Eve, Ike. This guy's not been to Ike. There's a lot of people here that have been more well-travelled than Valentina. We're gonna have to try and sort that out. That over there. Press an R. Jump off. Press an R. There we go. That's what we want. Fly, fly, fly. So yeah, I mean, like the multiverse that I'm generally talking about when I talk multiverse is the constant inflationary one, where like there's no reason in any of the mathematical models as why inflation should stop everywhere at once. And so people are like, well, it didn't. We're just in a bubble that stopped, and there's still other bits of the infinite and ever expanding universe out there that are still undergoing inflation. Let's get this landing going. And then inflation keeps getting snagged in different places due to quantum fluctuation, which that is a term that I don't fully understand, let's be honest. I don't think anybody does. Yeah, you as well. Awesome. Do I like action pixel games with explosions and aliens? If yes, I recommend Switch Cars. Oh, I will have a look. Switch Cars. I'm particularly looking at Xenonauts right now. That's the next game that I'm giving thought to. He doesn't seem to be going where I want him to. Come on, dude. Spin round. What's wrong with you? Let's press space. Not advertising. It's alright. I will check. I always like game recommendations. I always do like game recommendations. The problem is most people recommend medieval fantasy stuff, and I'm like, dude, this is a sci-fi channel. You may have noticed by all the sci-fi games. I know Don't Starve doesn't really count as that, but it's been a long time since I've done that. Okay, let's fly these guys back. Try and land on the ladder if we can. Man, this guy just doesn't want to face the way I'm looking. Oh, wrong button. I'm pressing space to jump. I'm like, no, that's not this game. I mean, well, it kind of is, but not like that. And then finally, Valentina, last one to leave her ship. Oh, she can't get out there. Last one to leave her ship. Transfer crew, transfer back here because there's actually a door on this one. I do love Kerbin just kind of hanging above the horizon there. Okay, let go. Pull my jetpack out. Pull my jetpack out. And this was a good mission. It was a good mission, a good stream. We got a lot of stuff done today. You're playing some Osiris New Dawn. Good shout, man. Yeah. I don't know, actually. When I actually pull my thumb out of my my posterior and get some other things done, like I should be editing the war video today and stuff like that. In fact, I should have passed on my war save by now. I keep forgetting. It's been a week of forgetting to pass on the save. That's not great. I've done it and I've just been kind of sat on stuff. Look, she's doing it as well now. This is annoying. Is it a view option? I don't know. Anyway, let's just get her there. Space to turn her around to face the same way that you're looking, by the way, if you find yourself in this particular situation. I'm not sure what causes it, but I do know how to deal with it, but not get rid of it. F5, because they might end up dead from this. Who knows? Who knows? I'm going to go straight up. Turn this direction-ish, because then I can just kind of pull back. That wasn't quite what I wanted. Let's go prograde. And then over this way if you can. Now that makes more sense. There we go. Right, are we going to be able to head back? Now, if I'm headed towards Kerbin... Actually, if I'm headed towards Kerbin on my radar, I am just wanting to go that way. Yeah, no, I know exactly what you're saying, Land. I totally understand. That's why I've not been like, hey man, what's going on? But not that, and the fact that it would make me a massive hypocrite if I did ask. Can't go faster than this. Oh no. Oh no. Okay, well let's get up where we can go faster than that. I think we're not going to have any problems at all coming back now. I might actually end up doing that thing I was joking about of actually just streaming the edit. People seem pretty up for it. And I've got no problem doing that. Ooh. Ooh. A bit of a free slowdown there. Can we do it without crashing into the moon? That's the question. 2, 1, into the atmosphere. Yeah. All right, let's do it like this. Ooh, and I actually budgeted the right amount of fuel for once. Normally I'm either like stupidly over the top or stupidly under the amount of fuel I need, but this looks good. So the moon goes round once, twice. We smash into its sphere of influence. Or it smashes into ours, I suppose. We get deflected quite nicely here. I love this deflection. You can actually see what's happening here as the moon goes past. We go round the front of it and then get thrown out the back. Patch conics is such a great way of simulating orbits. It's really good. It's really good because obviously it's really hard to do the actual end body simulation. You know, you've got gravitate. Over engineering is forever. It's true. It's true. Was I literally just saying? Oh, how good Patch Conics is. Yeah, for like abstracting its way into a simulation. You know, it's if you were going to actually run Kepler's laws all the way through, that would be pretty hard. I don't think the computer would be able to handle it very well. Really, are we at this stage already? Oh, it's my solar panels. That's fine. I don't care about them. Literally don't care about them. I don't know where we're going to stop that. Is that the Badlands there? Is that the crater? Did I just see the crater? No, the crater's this way. Is it? Oh, I don't know. We're just going to come through in a fiery ball of death. Fiery ball of death! To be fair, it's pretty good. It's pretty good. Apoap's height coming down from 6,000 kilometres. 42-kilometre skydive? Aero brake. I know what I'm saying. Oh, I know where we are as well. Look, yeah, no, look. There's Arquibo Island. Nice. Do I want to fire my engines? I'm not really that bothered. I mean, if all else fails, there's a heat shield back there. I can't jettison it right now because it will go forwards and then get snatched by the atmosphere and come running back at me. That's no good. But if it was to explode off, that'd be fun. Let's just make it explode. Is it going to explode? It's not going to explode. Well, there goes all my fuel anyway. 41 kilometres. We are passing our Apoaps right now. Let's have a look and see what's going on up the top here. Are we going to make it out the other side? That would be hilarious if we actually did. Like, I dived in deep. Like, deep. So deep. It's working, though. It's definitely working. We are definitely going to get these people home. And we will have a full complement to send out to another far point somewhere. I don't know. Well, I mean, we've not done Jewel yet. So I think Jewel might be our next big mission base. And then we might actually be running to the end. We would have hit everywhere. Turn radio out, decouple, then... Oh, okay. Yeah, alright, let's do that. Radio out, decouple, retrograde. Good shout, man. Good shout. Thanks. That was very clever. Very clever. I also really quite like that there. We should have kept the weight. It could have carried us through to the actual KSC. Oh no, we are going back up. That's what's actually happening here. Oh no, is that bad? I don't know. I don't know. That's all right. That's fine. That's fine. That's one more orbit is never that bad, right? Let's have a look at these guys sat in there. Oh, she's down below. I never really quite figured that out. It's always nice to see how they're sat in this. There's no way they can see stuff. Yeah, just antenna. Just antenna. Alright, are we back up yet? We're not quite back up. I really wasn't expecting us to like bounce off the top as much as that. And there we go. In classic Apollo style, we skipped off to staff. I believe that's what they were worried about, right? I went radio in? No, I didn't. No, it says radio out. Okay, coming back in. Yeah, because I faced outwards. I had to have faced outwards, and then my engine would have been thrown inwards. Okay, let's get down there. Funky Town. I hear Funky Town is somewhere down the bottom here. That's what all the tourist brochures tell me anyway. "43 meters per second crash tolerance." That's nice. Might have to put one of these on the front of every ramming vehicle I ever make ever again. Oh, yeah, I make ramming vehicles. I mean, why would you not? Down at a 39-kilometer aero brake. This is definitely coming back. We are stopping now. We're probably gonna splash down in Arquibo. Maybe? Are we going to make it across to Arquibo? I don't know. I don't think so now that I'm just taking note of where we are. We're going to splash down in the ocean between Arquibo and whatever continent this is called. Dark one. We're over the Badlands, right? This is the Badlands. It's got to be. It's got to be. Hey, Carl! How's it going, buddy? How is it going? Welcome to the last 15 minutes of the stream! Oh, there goes my antenna. That's fine. I mean, I was kind of expecting that, right? We're still travelling at 1.7 kilometers per second, whilst falling down at quite an alarming rate. I would just like that to be known. I'm a little bit worried that we might actually end up smashing into the ocean before we slow down anywhere near enough. Now would be the perfect time to deploy some drogue shoots if I had any. I don't, unfortunately. But it looks like we're going to slow down. How to type? Oh, I don't know, man. If you could tell me how you would do it if you ever figured it out, that would be great. If there was just some way you could put your hands on top of an interface device and then make these markings that represent language. I don't know. If you figure it out, that would be great. My heat shield saved you. Yes, Kerbal Nerd, you are correct. With the amount we dive down into the atmosphere, we would have needed that heat shield. Only about half of it, but yeah. I'm gonna wait until we're about 2 kilometers down because you know what? It's like time to wait. Let's do some backflips. Whee! Oh, no. The atmospheric drag is too much for it. Okay, that's fine. We'll just let it rock then. Just let it rock. I like this. I like this. Let's have a look at what's going on with these. Bit of drag, bit of lift. Oh, we're going that way, are we? Can I turn it upwards? There we go. Now I should be able to like decide which. Well, not decide, but help land. Oh, I should have popped those and then pop them again. Nah, when risky. Woo! Woo! That could have gone a lot worse, a lot quicker. Playing Fallout 3 hurting like hell. I need to set up my computer. I'm on the phone. Oh man, that's painful. It's painful. Alright, coming in for the last 200 meters. It would be nice to figure out where the other guys are to be saved, but I think the majority of them are on the moon, which, you know, let's be honest, that's where I want the majority of my astronauts. That would be cool. That would be so cool. And splashdown. 2 meters per second. Recover that vessel. Let's get these people back. Oh, they've been gone for so long. Hey, Robbie Desmond, how you doing? Welcome to the last 15 minutes of the stream. Because, you know, that's what happens. Where's it gone? No! Why? Why would you do this to me? I just recovered them. And, why did I have the aerodynamic overlay on? Because I like to be able to see what happens to my ship on the way down. Man, that's... Kerbal's not people. Whatever, man. Like, we don't call our people noughts, so why are you calling them Kerbonauts? You know? We come up with all these other words that mean space, not people. I mean, space sailors, no less. Not a mention of people anywhere. I don't know. I've had this gripe with people for a while now. What happened? We had a crash as I landed. I don't know if that's a thing on No. Hey, let's not go in here. I don't want to be here. I didn't want to be there. Did you want to be there? I don't think any of us wanted to be there. Tell me if you wanted to be there. Yeah, no, straight up, Landstrider, you have nailed it on the head there. We are both very bad at our self-advertising. This is why I keep trying to find like some sort of external agency that can do it for me. Turns out there's very few and far between, unless I want to give over more money than I'm earning from this sort of stuff, which is a little counterproductive if you ask me. Did they make it back home? Here's the question. Can't rely on YouTube. Yeah, you say let's recover the people. Oh, okay, all right. Maybe I got it wrong. I'm sure it wasn't let's recover this people talking to you guys. But maybe. So you were saying it was a crash landing. Yes, indeed I am. That was a nice little ba-dum-bum there. Alright. Yep, here we go. Here they are. Let's try and recover it. Will it crash? Fingers crossed for not a crash. That's as high as I can go with actually holding a note without going, you know. Sorry, headphone users out there. I did that without even thinking about how high pitched that was going to be. That went well. That went very, 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 very well. I was super impressed with how our recovery mission went there. Recovery, not rescue. I didn't strand them out there. I just wanted to bring them home. I want to have a look somewhere up here. Mun Science Station. Yeah. Sorry, it was an obligatory pun. It's true. It's good. We're all good for puns here. I think puns are probably one of the highest form of wit, right? Yeah, must be. And punny times. Okay, I want to see how much science this has got in it. Let's have a look here. Oh, not much. How long is it going to take to do this? 3 science per day. It's not great, is it? We got, like, lots to do. And I can't go any faster than this. Whoa, 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 whoa. I like that a lot. Okay, so we're just going to leave these guys here, I think. I would like to bring Jatris home. Can we bring Jatris in this craft back to Kerbin? Should we try it? I think we're going to leave this scientist here. We'll bring it back at some point. Then back. Her back. It back. It's a boy, is it? Dernby? Something like that? Oh, I didn't take them out of here, did I? Up. Oh, it's empty. That's good. Oh, yeah, of course, because they're in the science lab. I know what's going on. Board this up. Okay, let's decouple. Undock. I want to orbit my way out of here. Now, is this the way I want to go? Is that the way I want to go? I don't know. I'm just going to go start drifting. Because everyone should be drifting. Okay, so I actually want to get round to this side of the moon. Do a little oomph like so. That looks pretty good. If we keep oomph in it. Now you can see how this line here becomes less and less parallel with that one. And that's why this apoapse keeps going up. If I do this right, I should be able to get a return. I'm not actually trying to return, am I? I want to go to... There's a station here somewhere. I know there's a station here somewhere. Geostats. Oh, it looks like I'm just coming back like this. Let's just do this first before we do anything. T. Maneuver. And then we're going to have to wait. So hardcore darkness makes the nether much more interesting. Yeah, I bet. Oh wow, that'll be tough. What's the next maneuver? Oh, you might want to know almost all the mods out for 1.12. Me able to make posts for them too. Ooh, yeah. Actually, that would Make sure you change the map though, right? Like make it another burnt out wasteland because that really was like the piece de resistance. Being able to look out from where, no matter how nice you made your area, you looked out across this burnt out wasteland. You were like, yeah, I'm in post for them. I think that's kind of important. But, you know, it's your mod pack. But I feel like it's very important. I really got into post for them. I kind of feel a little more attachment to it than almost any other mod pack that I did. It was so good. Where did you strand your first Kerbal? And I didn't mean the first you've. I've never stranded Kerbals. I've always gone back and got them. But the first one would have been, I don't know, probably a botched moon landing. Like my first stranded Kerbal was definitely didn't send enough fuel to the moon, and I had to send a recovery out there. Not a recovery, a rescue. That's actually a rescue. Yeah, nice one, man. Nice. Hardcore darkness with dynamic lighting. Now that is a top-notch idea. Derelict. Does any of these have like excessive numbers of, like this Astroneer 1? Do you reckon it's got excessive numbers of parachutes on it? If I like dock with it, let's switch to. And no. I mean that's close, but let's switch to. Hey, Guinea Pig Gaming, how did your stream go, buddy? How did your stream go? You said you were going off to stream, right? Nope, this doesn't have a way home either. I was kind of hoping this would be able to have parachutes. I'm tempted just to kind of push it at some point. So that's not what I'm looking for. What about this one? Oh, like, didn't recover? I've never had one that I didn't recover. I've always gone and got my Kerbals. There is one that has died in re-entry. Like, literally one. No, two? And then I've purposely killed Jeb so many times. I'm sure I had a station up here. Yeah, this one. Where is it? Did we bring it back eventually? Is this what's happened? I've actually just not got it out here anymore. It looks to be a lot less busy here than it used to be. Rescue 101. These are all my geostats. I want to go and have a look at Rescue 101 quick. Oh, yeah, starved to death. That's pretty difficult. Oh man, Jack the Green Ghost. He's saying he has a sub for sub. Let me rant at you about how much I dislike sub for sub. So, have you thought about these people that you're sharing with, the ones like how many of them do you go and watch their stuff for? Because I can tell you, whenever people have approached me for subs to sub, I'm not gonna watch their stuff because I've gone and looked at their stuff and gone, you know what? I don't like this. I don't like this at all. So, and that happens a lot. Most people that are trying to do sub for sub are like trying to claw their channel up from nothing, right? But that means you're going to end up with loads of subscribers that are not coming to watch, which means, as far as YouTube knows, you're a terrible creator. Look at all these people that say they will come and look, and then they don't. Yeah, well, that's the way. That's what I feel about sub for sub. And that's why I will never do so. Right, if I enjoy what people are putting out, I'll sub because I want to know what they're putting out. You know. So now I face a dilemma because obviously none of the things that I thought I was going to attach this to even exist. So we're going to fly a thing out, right? Space Center. Let's see what things we have to fly out. Something that we can go and attach. It should just be something with a save pod on top. We've done one of these before. What was that? We've done. So scenario, right? But there aren't anybody. He's alone in his street. Ah, dude. So you need to make good videos. I can't comment on your videos. I've not gone and looked, but that is like number one. What you need to be doing to get people to come and watch is making good content. Number two, build yourself a small community. Yeah, I know what you're saying, Landstrider. I'm also having trouble where collaborative warfare just didn't carry on, and so yeah, I'm not getting all the views that I was used to. But I wish there was a way that I could go through my subs, find out the people that are watching the stuff that I'm making now, and get rid of the people that aren't. I wish there was a way I could do that, but obviously it's not up to me who subs and who gets, yeah, and stuff like that. So it's frustrating. It's really frustrating. That's why I never like to do these sub for sub things and stuff like that, because it's just no. Hello. Why have none of my things got what? Okay, I don't know the arm. I don't know which one of these is what I'm going to want. Space tug. What's space tug? This doesn't sound like one of mine. Is it one of mine? Come on. Let's load it. What's going on here? Oh, I got a spinny thing. If we crash here, guys, I'm afraid I'm going to say goodbye at that point. Come on. Are you doing stuff? Are you not doing stuff? I don't want to click it again because I'll get the white screen. Oh, this is not not responding. Alright, let's do it. No, it's not. It's not actually dead. It's still thinking. Okay, thinking hard. You know, I'm thinking hard as well. I'm like, why did I click on that? I knew that wouldn't be the one that I wanted. The one that I want is probably labelled like rescue something or other, right? This application is not responded. It may respond again if you wait. Do you wish to end the process? I can't even click on it. Oh my... Oh, and with that final bit of technical issues, I'm going to say thank you very much for joining for this adventure, ladies and gentlemen. I will see you next time when we're going to get that mission home. Literally all I'm going to do is fly up a docking port with some parachutes and stuff like that on it and get that mission back. Are we back? Oh, we're not back. Okay, it's still not doing its thing. I will see you guys on Tuesday for more streaming, Monday for more Minecraft maybe. Oh, we're here. Oh, and it crashed. Alright, bye-bye guys. Bye! Don't forget to go check out Lance Schroeder as well. He's a really good producer. Bye!